Hi everybody. Well, we have had an amazing class so far and we're on Module 10. So I'm going to give you a little tutorial. I'm going to scroll down here to the EBook Collaboration. So if you click on here, you'll be able to see what the instructions are. Now, I wanted to walk through those with you because there are some very specific things that I want you to include. You need to have visuals or pictures in one page where the text is on the opposite side. You need to have the heading of the name of your state. You need somewhere to include your name. Obviously, there's no grammatical errors. Please check your spelling. And don't make it look too busy, okay? Now, some other things that you're going to do is you're going to make sure to include the state bird, capital, anything that you think is important or interesting, but definitely include these things that are right here. Okay, so we're going to go back to the class, and the next thing you're going to look at is Storyjumper. Now, if you have not used this before, what you're going to need to do is we're going to click on this link, and it's going to take us to Storyjumper, okay? But before we do that, I wanted to show you the class ID number and the class password. So once you create your account, put that information in, and you'll be able to see where we're all working. So this is our home page, and if you look down here, you'll see a couple examples. This really isn't untitled. This book is not anything except for kind of a sample of if I'm going to try to show you something. Growth and Expansion Beginnings would be a good book that you could look through. But this right here, United States, this is our ebook. So we're going to select that. And when it comes up, you'll see that this is the cover of the book, okay? We're going to open it. The book is dedicated to fourth graders who worked so hard to learn social studies in the haiku class. That would be you. Okay. Now, we're going to open, let's go back here. Sorry. Okay, we're going to edit. Okay. So when you come in, it does not matter if you look up here. It doesn't matter if you're the first pages or if you picked the last pages. It does not really matter. Just find somewhere that is open. Okay, so this is the first page. I went ahead and did the first and second page. So you will be each in charge of 2 pages. Like I said, 1 page will be for the graphic and 1 page will be for the information, okay? So this is the compiled work of our 4th grade social studies class. Each student studied a different state, and here's the information that we found. Let me show you how to do this. So we're going to go, let's just say I'm going to work on pages 3 and 4. I don't really care which side you pick to put the state or which side you do the text. It's really up to you, okay? So the first thing we need to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick Idaho. So I'm looking at the props here and I'm not really seeing a picture of Idaho, except that I uploaded one. So let me go ahead and show you first of all how I would do that. You go to Photos, Get Photos, and you upload them from your computer. It's the easiest way because we've done this a lot. Go ahead and browse, and that is where you're going to go ahead and select your pictures. Well, I already have that on here. I did that earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. Okay. Now, right here, you get to crop whatever picture you put here. So you can crop it in the shape of a face. You can see how the oval is kind of highlighted. Well, I kind of want it to get the whole thing, so I'm going to pick rectangle. Again, you can pick whatever you would like. But I would like to include all of this picture. So I'm going to push crop. And by the way, over here, please keep your pictures as a prop, not a scene, because with a prop you can adjust it on the page, you can move it to where you want. A scene just takes up the whole page and you can't do anything different, okay? So keep your pictures as a prop. I'm going to pick done. And it's going on my page. Okay, so it's small, and this is what I'm talking about. Because it's a prop, it's small. But that means that I can go ahead and increase it to however I like. If I want to put it down here, I can. Okay, well, you know, I don't want to take up the whole page with the state of Idaho. I probably should make it a little bit bigger. But I want to add another picture. So I'm going to look up here to props. I'm going to see if there is maybe something that would have to do with Idaho. Okay, you can look at all the different things. So far, I'm not really seeing anything. Let's go to food. Look at that. It's a potato. So I went ahead and put potato in my prop box, and I'm going to put it right there on my page. When I think of Idaho, I think of potatoes, okay? So you can put anything on here that you would like. If you would like to put a flag, this is not our flag, and this is the Egyptian flag, so we wouldn't put this here, but you could put an American flag here. You could put your state flag, would be even better. So you can put any images on your image page as long as it connects to your state. Okay, so let's go to our text page. So we're going to go down here to text. Now, you have different text boxes. So you can see that you can pick a cloud or stars or a scroll is what I picked for this page. See? Oh, no, I didn't. I picked the sticks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the scroll then. And guess what? This is where I'm going to put my heading. So my heading is, you guessed it, Idaho. Okay, so then I'm going to move, well, I got to grab the hand, sorry. Let's grab the hand and move it, okay? I want it to be a little bit bigger. All right, so there's my heading. And I really do need to make sure I put my name somewhere on here. So maybe what I'll do is I'll put the star because I'm the star person of this page. But I really don't want that to be super big. So I'm going to put this maybe down here at the bottom. So it's not as important as the information up here. Okay. So now we're going to go back over here. Now to type your actual text, I don't want you to use these frames, okay? You can use these decorative text boxes for your title, for your state name, but I want you to use this for your content, okay? So I'm just going to keep it just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and type away. So some of the first things, I'm going to look over here again. I need the state capital. So I'm going to write or type state capital. And the state capital of Idaho is Boise. Okay. And then I'll look at all of these different things. Interesting facts. Well, guess what? I'm going to put, first of all, the state bird. Then I'm going to put the state song. Then I'm going to put tourist areas. And then interesting facts. Okay. So tourist areas, well, I know that there's the Boise train depot. It's really pretty. Okay. I know the Snake River. And I'm going to put anything else that I feel is a good tourist area. For interesting facts, maybe I'm going to put Idaho potatoes are well known throughout the country. Okay? So you just put whatever you feel that you need. And honestly, I probably shouldn't use 24 size font. Go ahead and take it down to probably 16. Okay? So let's just keep it at 16. And whoopsie. Okay, so did you see that? I accidentally deleted it, but look over here. You have an undo button, so do not panic. Okay, now I'm going to push save so that I don't accidentally do that again. Okay, so go ahead and get started. This should be fun, and it should not be hard because you're not finding out any new information. You're just putting what you already have learned. Okay, and have some fun. Be creative with this image page. Okay, so have a lot of fun with this. And if you have any questions, as always, just get a hold of me, and I would love to help you out. Thank you.